Introducing the VC Risk Swap, the next-generation VC funding strategy that fundamentally restructures venture capital by eliminating the traditional high-risk, high-return paradigm that creates adversarial VC founder relationships. Conventional VCs demand substantial returns to compensate for potential total loss, driving aggressive growth strategies and premature exit pressure. The VC Risk Swap provides comprehensive downside protection through revenue guarantees, eliminating existential investment fear while preserving future equity participation options. This enables collaborative relationships focused on sustainable growth rather than exit pressure. VCs maintain upside through conversion rights, strategic partnerships, and preferential investment opportunities, creating a best-of-both-worlds approach that supports startups through critical development phases without the win-or-lose mentality that typically destroys long-term value creation. Follow along and look at other Safer Wealth presentations to learn more about the evolution of venture capital and the new VC Risk Swap asset class and how this funding strategy can advance your portfolio performance.